Good day. Today we will be demonstrating a Windchill Workgroup Manager for ZWCAD. In this demonstration, you will see a quick overview of the usage and functionality in this alpha build of WGM for ZWCAD. Let's get started. Start off by going to the PTC Windchill tab here. We'll click into it and you'll notice the functionality is now listed. For our first task, we will log in to our Windchill environment and just sign in with our username and password for Windchill. We'll go to the PTC Windchill tab. We'll select Login. We'll enter our username and password. Type in our Windchill user login address. Select Login. And success. We have logged in. Next, let's browse for our local workspace. Here you'll see that we'll press the Browse button and we'll select the local workspace folder. We've now established our workspace. As you can see here, this is just a folder we have created on our desktop, and we have now accessing it through the Workgroup Manager interface. Now that we have our workspace set, we can retrieve the files we would like to work in our workspace environment. We'll access the Open from Windchill button in the Open Search grouping in our ribbon. This brings up our interface to browse for the files we want to access. We start off by selecting from the product group our product we want to work on. Once that is picked, we'll see a list of available drawings for that product. We'll select the drawing we want. In the list here in the bottom column, select the drawing you want and select Open. Then it's added to your file in the workspace. You will see this notification indicating you have successfully added it to the drawing and your workspace. You can then hit OK and return to ZWCAD. And as you can see now, we have our drawing open and we're ready to get started on the task for the specific product. Let's take a look at the Windchill environment from a web browser. We'll browse the same demo product. From here we will select the drawing we added to our workspace. And then we'll select the History button. Here you will notice that we have version A.1 and the state is set to In Work. Back in the ZWCAD session, let's check the file out for modification. In the ribbon, in the Checkout section, we'll select Checkout. You then see the prompt indicating a successful checkout. Let's go back to our web browser, and you can see that we have 2 copies listed. Select OK here. Back to our browser. Refresh our history page. And you can see we have 2 versions, the original and the working copy. We'll now make a quick edit to the drawing. Return back to our Windchill ribbon. We'll select Check Into the file. This will save a copy of the file and upload it to the Windchill environment. You receive a notification once it's complete indicating success. We look back at our browser and you can look at the drawing now that we've checked it back into the common space, and you can now see we have our new checked in version, version A.2. Now that we've completed our task, the last step is to clean up our workspace. So we'll do this by simply going to our Windows Explorer local workspace folder, close out of our tabs here, return to the folder, select the files in the folder, and simply delete them. That is the end of our demonstration. If you have any further questions, we look forward to hearing from you at support@metametatech.com.